An official ceremony was held at Merdeka Palace in Indonesia's capital Jakarta on Sunday, August 17, as part of celebrations marking the country's 80th Independence Day. Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto delivered a speech during the event. The celebrations included flag-raising ceremonies, cultural performances, and participation from government officials and citizens across the country. Indonesia declared independence from Dutch colonial rule on August 17, 1945, following Japan's surrender at the end of World War II. The anniversary is marked each year with parades, cultural performances, and public celebrations.